Remember the month of speed last year? We're back. Welcome back, and today we're creating the Man o' War. With it being the month of speed, and we're getting really close to the Kentucky Derby, the Man o' War was created for, well, the famous racehorse, Man o' War, who in 1920 did not race in the Kentucky Derby, but did race and win at the Preakness and the Belmont. So, having had this, let's go ahead and get into this. It's a shaken cocktail, so grab a shaker, of course. And before I cut this lemon, I'm going to go ahead and make a peel, because this will be used for garnish. I'm going to go ahead and slice this thing. And I need a ½ ounce of lemon juice. And now I need sweet vermouth. ½ ounce sweet vermouth. And now I need 1 ounce of orange liqueur. I'm using dry curacao. And now I need bourbon. Which one do I want to use? You know, I haven't used this one in a while. In fact, I haven't used this at all, but I'm going to. And now I need 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Wild Turkey 101. And now, you know. Of course, ice, tin, everything in, pop, give it a second, because it just came out of the freezer, so it's very brittle. Give it a second to temper, go. And for this, I'm going to use a Nick and Nora. Hawthorne strainer in, strain in. Now for garnish. Lemon peel twist, express in, and I need a Luxardo Maraschino cherry, because I want to do this in a specific fashion. Spear the peel, spear the cherry, spear through the peel again, and in. And this is a Man o' War. Cheers. That's nice. The orange liqueur, the vermouth, the bourbon. Using the higher proof, the 101, works. The increased spiciness, or perceived spiciness, of this really works. You get the tartness on the lemon. The bourbon plays well with its with the darker, more caramel notes, playing alongside the herbaceousness of sweet vermouth and the continued added slight sweetness of the curacao. It's a delectable cocktail. I will admit, this is a good cocktail. A champion made for a champion. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links. You know the deal. Click the link, make a purchase of that item, kick back, thank you in advance. Socials down below. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.